guys, so today's review is going to be a crispy chicken sub from Subway. There's Italian herb and cheese bread, crispy chicken there, white cheddar, green peppers, cucumber. I had to get the Southwest Chipotle sauce. You didn't have the creamy sriracha, which is what they recommend. But we'll see how it is. Skidoo. Hey guys, so welcome again to the review. I'm sitting in a separate room from our food court. They have an alternate seating area, so that this might be a little quieter. If they can hear me, I'm gonna get this shot there. These are just okay. The chicken does taste good, but I know, it's nothing to write home about. I don't know, it is nicely seasoned. I'm not sure if I like it or not. I gotta take one like this. Hold on. I don't like the breading on the chicken. I don't think this is something I would get again, to be honest. See, I'm sorry, this is going to be a fail. It's not horrible, but it's not great either. But I wouldn't get it again, that's for sure. They didn't pack my sub too well either. I don't know if that has something to do with it. I expected the chicken to be a little, crispy. I don't find it crispy at all. So, I don't know. If I were you guys, I would pass. I mean, I wouldn't get this. It's a definite fail. But if you guys want to try it, be my guest. But I wouldn't recommend it. Thank you guys again for supporting the channel and for watching. Just let me know in the comments if you guys would try this or not. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell. Bye, everybody.